If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making BIDIA PANA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about 10 to 12 betel leaves or desi pan, 3 to 4 betel nut or gua. Now take 1 nutmeg or jaifal, some cloves and 1 black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about a tablespoon of that. Then 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee and a quarter cup of grated coconut. Now to prepare the panna, take a leaf and cut the stem. Then with the help of a spoon, apply ghee. On top of that, sprinkle the powder. Add the crushed betel nut and the grated coconut. Now to fold it, keeping it lengthwise, make 2 folds at 1/3 from both the sides, just like this. Then fold the wider portion and finally the tip. And to seal it at the middle, put a clove, just like this. And it's done. And that's it. One of the Mahaprasad, BIDIA PANA. So do try this at home and say your experience in the comment section below. And it's a wrap up of the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Lord Jagannath on Chef Lall's kitchen, where we completed over 170 Mahaprasad in 170 days. So to all the wonderful viewers, thank you for your support in making this series possible. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.